Welcome to Startup Domains. Ever tried to find the perfect online name for your business, only to realize every .com or .net domain you wanted is already taken? You're not alone. But here's the thing. It's not just about finding an available name. It's about choosing a domain that represents your industry and expertise while standing out in a crowded online world. In today's competitive digital landscape, securing a domain that truly reflects who you are and what you do is more important than ever. But don't worry, there's a solution. That's where .gdn comes in. GDN isn't just a random set of letters. It represents various industries and leading organizations, including Google Display Network, one of Google's most powerful advertising platforms. But here's the best part. GDN goes far beyond that. GDN is an abbreviation used across multiple industries, including Global Data Network, Global Distribution Network, and Global Developer Network. It's a versatile domain extension that adapts to businesses in a range of fields. But in today's video, we're focusing on how the .gdn extension can benefit businesses offering services related to the Google Display Network. If you're providing educational training, certification courses, or expert services for the Google Display Network, also known as the GDN platform, then domains like academy.gdn or courses.gdn are perfect for you. And if your training involves helping students get certified on the GDN platform, then certified.gdn is the ideal fit for your online presence. It helps establish credibility in your niche. Let's say you're offering professional consulting or marketing services for Google Display Network campaigns. You could benefit from domain names like consultant.gdn, experts.gdn, and campaign.gdn. These names immediately convey your expertise in the GDN marketing platform ecosystem. Maybe you're focused on lead generation or building a marketplace for Google Ads professionals. In that case, domains like hire.gdn, freelancer.gdn, and lead.gdn are ideal for businesses looking to connect experts with the right opportunities. And for those creating content or building communities, domains like blog.gdn or forums.gdn are perfect for hosting discussions and sharing valuable insights within the Google Ads niche. That's just one example of how .gdn can transform your online presence, especially for businesses tied to the Google Display Network Ads platform. Whether you're training the next generation of Google Ads experts, running marketing campaigns, or connecting professionals with job opportunities, .gdn can be the perfect fit for your business. And this is just the beginning. Stay tuned, because in future videos, we'll explore how .gdn can benefit even more niche industries. Don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and discover the power of .gdn for your business today. If you want to find the available .gdn domain names that suit your business, visit domainer.gdn and explore endless possibilities for your next venture.